Hello everyone, welcome to our new tutorial. Today's our tutorial topic is solving the error of MySQL. Let's begin. Then click on the start button and start the Apache. Then click on the new MySQL and start it. Then we can see that the MySQL can't start. That is the problem. To solve this problem, please left click on the logs button and go to MySQL error and drop down the menu at last. Then copy the feed. We can see the feedback is disabled. That's the problem. Then delete it and go to the this PC local disk and XAMPP. Open this menu. Then we can find the MySQL here. Double click on that and then go to the backup and copy whole the backup and paste this in the data. Now our problem should be solved. Let's check it and we can start it and look, it may be solved. It's almost solved. Now we can go to the browser and search localhost php php admin and then enter. It took few times and then our problem is almost solved. Thank you for this short tutorial.